Welcome to Physical Education 1 in the summer of 2019 for the Indiana Online Academy. I was just wanting to record a screencast to show you guys the ins and outs of how to get started in your course. This is your course homepage. I'm currently logged in as a student. On your course homepage, you'll see your completion percentage on the front. You'll see how to contact me. Just note, I have my email, my cell phone. Those are probably the best ways to get a hold of me. I also sent you guys an invitation to join Remind, where I'll send text reminders periodically. My office hours are pretty lenient. Just be mindful of early morning and late night, as I do have a family, 4 little kiddos. So first thing, news items. I will be sharing with you news items periodically through the course as well. Very important that you read these so that you can stay on top of things that you need to be accomplishing for the course this summer. I put the important dates listed here and also how to sign up for my Remind account if you did not receive a text. So the first thing you'll want to do to get started is you're going to go to where it says Content. And you're going to start where it says Welcome Folder, start here. And the first thing that you're going to do is the student training activity. This is very important. You're going to click on this link and you're going to go through the student training. This is going to teach you all of the things that you need to know for your course this summer. You look at the top, there's the different links for the different things that you'll need to go through. This talks about your student profile, talks about how to do discussions, Dropbox assignments, view your grades, take your quizzes. This talks about Word and Google. You do need to make sure that when you're submitting assignments, using Word documents, that it's either in PDF or appropriate file so that I can access it. This also talks about Google Docs and sharing. You have to use a non-school Google email. Communication, this just talks about email, texting, voicemail, how to get a hold of your instructor, and I just went through that as well. And then be successful. This is super important. It shows you how to manage your time in an online course, how to use the pacing guide, and then student policy, with plagiarism, and that type of thing, and then how to take notes. So super important information. You'll want to go through that before you get started. You'll need to click through your training with these arrows. When you do that, you'll see that you get check marks on the side. Once you get the check marks on the side, that's going to allow you to move through the module. So as you can see, I'm not going to go through everything, but lots of important information here. You've got the pacing guide for PE that you could print that shows you what assignments you should do each week to stay on track. This shows the academic calendar, all of the important dates. Again, PE important dates, how to write to submit your assignments to the best of your ability, and then some of the standards for physical education. You need to do all of these things, the required student sign off, and then it should allow you into the introduction folder, which will allow you into Unit 1. So you have to complete all of those things to get started. I'm going to stick with that today. I will go through some different tips as the semester or the summer session happens. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out for me. Hopefully this video helps answer some of your questions. I will be in touch. Welcome to PE.